That's what happens.
I think it's important
sorry to be cynic, but
it's important to point out that the lesser of two evils is not a figure of speech. Every time we hold our nose in the voting booth to vote for which one of the corporate-controlled major parties shoves down our throat, that's why there's been this Trump insurrection. That's why there's the Sanders insurrection. It's because people realize that systemically there's a problem that's not going to go away as long as this two-party corporate monopoly is in place.
That's very easy to say when you have a comfortable life. You know, there's like hundreds of thousands of people in Florida who did not get Medicaid because the governor is a Republican. And if the governor was a Democrat, an imperfect Democrat, a corporatist Democrat, they would actually be getting health care and not dying. So it's very easy to...
I'm not arguing that there are not shades of difference between the candidates, and those shades of difference aren't.
But it makes differences in actual. But it makes differences in actual people's lives, especially the ones who you purport to be most for, the poor people.
Yeah, well, there are shades of difference, but you can either settle for shades of difference, or you can aim for the world you really want to live in and work.
You can aim for it, but if you don't settle, you don't get.
That's an argument against women getting the right to vote. It's an argument against slavery. Let's just incrementally work towards.
You don't have to settle or vote. Settle or work for change. You can do both.
That's correct.
I mean, you can choose to participate in the election.
That's correct. But
you can choose to, for instance, I'm very hopeful that the Bernie people start to work at the local level. I'm very hopeful that this mass of young people that turned out for Bernie turn into the religious right of the left, if that makes sense, and take over school boards and take over all these places.
Before I run out of time, what is everybody?